Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today is second day of chapter 8, Saudi Arabia, the land of sand dunes. In this chapter, we have already discussed about location and land of Saudi Arabia. So, first I am going to take feedback of the topics we have already discussed. What is definition of desert? Peninsula? Name the countries that lie in the south of Saudi Arabia. What are sand dunes? Students, I hope you people are able to answer these questions. Today I am going to discuss about climate, vegetation and wildlife of Saudi Arabia. Terms that you will read today are climate, an atmospheric condition of a place for long period of time, sandstorms, strong and dusty winds, drought, shortage of water. Vegetation, trees and plants which grow in a particular area without any human interference. Versus a place where underground water comes up to the earth's surface. Desalination, method by which salt is removed from sea water. Difficult words that you will read today are comparatively, as compared to something, hazy, not clear, coat, outer cover, adapt, modify, prevailing, existing, trap, catch, ease, without difficulty. Students, open your social studies book at page number 53. You all have to mark important terms and meanings while reading the chapter. Climate. The days are hot and the nights are cold, and there may not be any rains for several years. Saudi Arabia remains under the influence of direct rays of the sun throughout the year, because of which days are hot and nights are cold. But it hardly gets any rain. The Tropic of Cancer passes through Saudi Arabia. Students, latitude that runs across Saudi Arabia is Tropic of Cancer. From May to September, it is summer. In these months, the temperature rises, making the days very hot and the nights comparatively cool. Word comparatively means as compared to something. Saudi Arabia has summer season from May to September. In these months, in the daytime, when the sun is shining, the sand heats up quickly. The temperature goes up quite high. At night, the sand cools down quickly. The nights are quite cool. There is therefore a great difference between the day temperature and the night temperature. From October to April, it is winter. During these months, the days are warm and nights are cold. Saudi Arabia has winter season from October to April. In these months, days are warm and nights are cold. In the coastal regions, the temperature is mild. Coastal regions means regions along the sea. Sandstorms are a common feature here. Sandstorms are strong and dusty winds. Sudden strong winds lift the loose sand and dust, making the sky look hazy. Word hazy means not clear. Coastal areas have moderate climate, which is neither too hot nor too cold. These strong winds change the land surface by shifting the sand dunes from one place to another. During the day, as the temperature rises, hot winds called Lu start blowing. These winds are called sandstorm. Sandstorms are quite often in the desert region. They take away sand from one place and deposit it at another place. There is so much sand in the air that it becomes difficult for the people to see where they are going. Vegetation. The plants in Saudi Arabia can be divided into two types, namely drought evaders and drought resistors. Two types of plants found in Saudi Arabia are drought evaders and drought resistors. The drought evaders are plants that exist as a seed within their tough coat. Word drought means shortage of water and coat is outer cover. They just wait for rain to germinate. Students, word evade means avoid and germinate means to grow. Drought evaders are plants which have tough outer covering. They wait for rain to grow. The drought resistors are plants which adapt to the prevailing conditions. They can either store water or can trap water underground with their long roots, which go deep into the soil. Word resist means withstand the action, adapt, modify, prevailing, existing, trap, catch. Drought resistors are plants which can modify themselves according to the existing conditions. Here you all can see some drought resistors plants. These plants have long roots to search water from the soil, or they can also store water. Various types of cacti grow here. Cacti is the plant with thicky flesh stem which bears spines, lack leaves, which are found in the deserts. Date palms grow well in places where they can get enough water. Usually they are found near an oasis. Oasis is a place where underground water comes to the earth's surface. Date palm trees grow here in abundance. These trees are very useful to the people of Saudi Arabia. Dates are sweet and nutritious fruit. The leaves of wood of these trees is used to make mats, baskets, and other useful articles. Advancement in science and technology has made agriculture possible in Saudi Arabia now. Because of advancement in science and technology, now we can grow crops in Saudi Arabia. With the coming of desalination technology, Saudi Arabia is now able to provide water for agriculture and for other needs. The main agricultural products are wheat, barley, dates, and fruits. Desalination is a method by which salt is removed from sea water. And just because of this technology, now water is available for irrigation to grow crops like wheat, barley, and dates. Wildlife. The camel is the most useful animal here. It can walk with ease in the hot desert sand and can go without water and food for many days. Word ease means without difficulty. That is why it is called the sheep of the desert. The chief animals found in the desert region are camel, horse, sheep, and goat. Camel is the most important animal found in the desert. Its padded feet do not sink in the sand and can walk long distances on sandy soil. It can live without food and water for some days. It is called sheep of the desert. Other than camels, lizards, snakes, and a variety of insects which have adapted to the hot, dry conditions are found here. Baboons, gazelles, hyenas, and ibixes are found in fairly large numbers. Number of scorpions, lizards, snakes, baboons, gazelles, hyenas, and ibixes are found in the desert. But at the same time, hunting has caused a serious danger to the leopard, ostrich, and oryx. Now, the government is taking serious steps to protect wildlife. Because of hunting animals like leopard, ostrich, oryx are in danger. But government is making efforts to protect these animals. So, students, today I have discussed hot desert on basis of its climate, that is very hot during day and cold during night, rainfall less than 25 centimeters. Wildlife, camel, snakes, hyenas, baboons, lizards. Crops, wheat, millets, date, barley. It is your homework to read page number 53 and 54. Try to solve, tick the correct answers given at page number 54. Thank you.